It should be live. Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of the Daily High. We don't even say the name anymore. And running the show a little bit late. Matt's already asleep. That's because I was out scuba diving all morning here in Aruba. Did two scuba dives with what's the name of the company? Hold on. I'm gonna do a shout out. Shoot. Happy Divers Aruba. I just know the name of the owner who took us out. Happy Divers Aruba. Cool place. And yeah, so did a couple of shipwreck dives, so it's great. I'm gonna hit the beach. So this is gonna be a very short update, pun intended, as the price of Bitcoin is dropping. I saw that in the comments. Okay. Well, let's go to the weekly chart. I was gonna skip the show today, but figured, hey, we didn't bring you a show all weekend long, so we're good. A new month has begun. This month has already broken the prior month's high. This month is currently set to close higher than the prior month's high. These are both very bullish signs to kick off a brand new month, and therefore we remain bullish on a monthly scale. What about the weekly scale? The weekly scale gave us a green star candle, very clear, new all-time high last week, very clear, new weekly close last week. Therefore, we remain bullish on the daily chart. This pullback has completed. We are now looking for more upside into the weekly MRI top. I'm going to delete a bunch of these arrows. They are now completely in the way, as the price is too strong for any kind of a pullback. We are dealing with a minor pullback today, and this remains my target. I'm not sure what this target is from. I don't remember why I put this target in, but this remains a legitimate target for a move to approximately 120,000. Let's see how it handles the 110 area and then the 120 area. The 4-day chart, my allocation chart, is still only at 75% bullish allocation. I may go 100% today. I may wait, and I'll tell you why I may wait. This is a pretty rough candle right here. We had a green star daily candle, but this big drop here, if we close today around 98,000 and we hover around 97, 98,000 tomorrow, we will reset the bullish MRI count. In fact, I would love to see a full reset of the bullish MRI count, and I would love to get in to my 100% bullish allocation on the following daily green star candle. So it is actually very unlikely I'm going to go long today. I will wait till tomorrow. If tomorrow we are hanging around above 99,000, I'll probably go in 100%. We're getting dangerously close to a daily MRI top. We're only 5 days away from a daily MRI top, and we're still, way lower than the all-time high. We are even lower than the close of the first candle in the uptrend. At this point, I would rather see more consolidation and get in on the next green star candle. Okay, and going back to that tweet of mine, where's that tweet? I put this tweet back on the pin. People are commenting that this was a good call. People are commenting this was a stupid call. Remember when I exited all long position? It was 97,800, and it was a terrible exit because I was going to the plane. I really wanted to write 99,000 right here, but I'm being honest about when I exited. I could have easily wrote 99,000, which happened that same day. But I was exiting that day based on the MRI top that day. And I said right here, still think sustaining. The word sustaining is very important here. Sustaining 100,000 break, this year is unlikely. We are now 10 days into the month. Today is the 9th, almost 10 days into the month. We are still struggling to sustain 100K. And based on what is happening today, we may even pull back a little bit more. Let's talk about the short-term chart. This is the 5-minute chart, and guess when Bitcoin reversed? It reversed, it made the high on a 10 a.m. candle. We can even go to a 1-minute chart just to see exactly on which minute did the price of Bitcoin make a top. It made its top at 10:01. So sometimes when I say the 10 a.m. reversal, I mean like a 10 to 15 minute window, and sometimes it happens to the 30-second window. This is as close as you can possibly get to a 10 a.m. reversal, and the 10 a.m. reversal certainly did its job. If I go to the 1-hour chart, how did Bitcoin do in the 1 hour following the 10 a.m. reversal? Bitcoin literally, why can't I draw this? What's happening here? Oh, now it does it. Great. Within 1 hour, let's not cherry pick, we fell 2.5%. It's a 2.5% move. That's super impressive. We are still good from a cycle perspective. I'm expecting the top to come between March and October. We'll talk more about that in Q2 of next year. Nothing is happening with oil. Nothing is happening with gold. Oh, no, I take that back. Gold is breaking out very nicely. It's time to be bullish on gold. See, look at this second green star. This is what I want to see in Bitcoin. I am now very bullish on gold, and I think gold can now go and make new highs. Beautiful second consecutive green star, very close to the prior swing high. I like gold here for more upside. Here's the S&P on a weekly, still at all-time highs. Let's take a look at it on a 5-minute chart. I'm curious how it handled 10 a.m. And there is see, I don't like this, right? Because we crashed first thing in the morning. And while this was a swing high, it wasn't really a swing high. This would have been trickier. When am I entering the 10 a.m. reversal trade on the S&P today? I'm entering off of this red star candle. I mean, I wasn't paying attention to the red stars, but this is where I would be looking to short the S&P, not at 10 a.m. At 10 a.m., this is a very bullish looking pattern. But once it crashes, right here, this is your candle on the 10 a.m. reversal, the 10:15 candle, that's your sign that the S&P is going down. And how much did the S&P fall? Why am I, again, struggling with that thing? Wow, it fell 26 points. That's substantial. I used to pray for these kinds of moves back in the day when S&P used to be like $500 when I used to trade. A 25-point move was happening once a month. Now that the S&P is 6,000, 25-point moves are way more common. Last month's gold candle closed bearish. Last week's candle closed bullish. Green star candle probably to next candle. Maybe if next candle is a new swing high, then it will be a green star candle. The monthly, I wouldn't say it's bearish. To me, it closed bullish. Here's why. See, the tone-based volume is green. I know it's not a public indicator. Tone-based volume is green. That's a bullish sign. Okay. Yes, the candle was red, but it was a bullish candle even though it was red. And the tone-based volume confirms that it was a bullish candle. All right, S&P is recovering. Bitcoin should be recovering. I am 75% bullish in the market, and that's pretty good. Okay, that is it for me, guys. I'm going to hit the beach. I'm not going to look at uranium today. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. And there's a new bot that's coming out from Blackbox. Matt built it. It's an MRI-inspired bot. I think it's already out this morning. There'll be a video about it posted tonight or tomorrow, and Matt will talk about it tomorrow. All right, guys, thank you all for watching, and see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.